Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Descent MK1 Sapphire, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Garmin Connect application and your phone, or rather, yes, your phone, to send the notifications to your watch. So, first find the Garmin Connect application icon, and once you find it, press and hold on it, then tap on App Info, and here you should see option called Permissions. Tap on it, and right here you should see the list of permissions we can allow and deny. And for the notifications to work, like call notifications and stuff like that, we need to allow a couple permissions. We need to allow the SMS, call log, phone, and contacts. So to allow them, find the permission you need to allow, tap on it, tap on allow, and then go back. It will appear on the allowed list, basically. So find the rest of them, allow them, so contacts, and the call logs. Okay, and once you have the SMS, phone, contacts, call logs, we can close this page. And now we can open the settings on our phone. And what we need to do is to allow the notification access for the Garmin Connect application. And to do it, you can tap on search if you want to and type in notification access. Oh, my bad. Access, and on the older Android it should basically redirect you to the notification access, but on the newer versions of Android it might not be so, because it's called something different. I don't know why they renamed it, but for example on this phone you need to go to notifications, and we have the option called device and app notifications, and if you tap on this option, and this is the menu, basically you have list of allowed and not allowed. And as you can see here, we have the Connect application. We need to find it, tap on it, and tap on the switch next to allow notification access to allow it for the app. And once you allow the notification access, as you can see, Connect is on the allowed list. We can close this and open the Garmin Connect application. In the app, we can tap on More, scroll down, tap on Garmin Devices, and you should see your Descent MK1, tap on it, and here we need to tap on device settings, notifications and alerts, and here we have smart notifications, and we can turn on and off the notifications for the two states of the watch we have during activity. So basically if you're tracking activity, or you started a workout on your watch, and next is not during activity, so everything else. And you can turn on and off the notifications for that. You can tap on show and select which types of notifications you want to see during the activity or not during activity. So you have all notifications or calls only, and then you have type of the alert, and we have tones and vibration, and you have the same option for the not during activity. Okay, and once you're done customizing this, go back to the device page. You should see the settings saved successfully, and the watch should sync with your phone. If it doesn't, you can tap on this icon right here to resync the device. And once it's done, you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. So let me check if I'm logged in into Discord. I am not, so I'm gonna log in into Discord. Okay, and now I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord, and hopefully we get the notification on our watch. As you can see, we got it on our phone and also on our watch. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.